Hello everyone, welcome back to our Fire Nursing Tutorial YouTube channel. Today we are tackling one of the most essential skills in nursing and healthcare, the deltoid intramuscular injection. While it is the go-to site for vaccines, it is also a small area with a high margin for errors if you don't know your landmarks. In this video, we will cover how to avoid the radial nerve, accurately measures the safe zone with your fingers and perform the injection with confidence. Let's get started. Who all have visited first time on this channel, please do subscribe and watch. Here, learning objectives are, by the end of this class, identify the correct anatomical landmarks of the deltoid and then perform safe IM injection technique, and then has to know needle size, angle and then volume limits, and then avoid common complications and mistakes. And then here, indications for deltoid, that is IM injection, intramuscular. Vaccines, for example, COVID-19, influenza and tetanus. And then small volume IM medications. And then preferred for rapid absorption. And also not suitable for large volumes here, IM. We'll say anatomy review here. Deltoid muscle. Here, it's a thick triangular muscle covering the shoulder. And then important nearby structures, axillary nerve and then posterior circumflex humeral artery. Here has to remember, incorrect landmarking can cause nerve injury. And then here we'll see step by step, that is landmarking the deltoid. Palpate the acromion process and then measure 2 to 3 fingers breadths below the acromion. And then identify the midpoint of the lateral aspect of the upper arm. And then injection site is in the thickest central portion of the muscle. From an inverted triangle, that is inject in the center. Next, equipment required. Sterile syringe and then needle. Adults, that is 22 to 25 gauge and then 1 to 1.5 inches. And then thin patients, shorter needle. And then also equipments, alcohol swab and then glove, cotton or gauze and then sharp container. Next, patient positioning. Here, patient seated or standing, arm relaxed and then hand resting on lap or hip. That is relaxed muscle is equal to less pain. Here, techniques, IM injection technique, step-by-step procedure. Perform hand hygiene, wear gloves, clean site with alcohol swab in a circular motion, and then stretch skin, and then insert needle at 90-degree angle. Next, aspirate, no, not required for vaccines. And then inject medication slowly, and then withdraw needles smoothly. Apply gentle pressure. Here, do not massage for vaccines. And then dispose needle safety. And then volume guidelines here. Maximum volume in deltoid. That is adults 1 ml up to 2 ml in well-built adults. And then children less depending on age and size. Here, common mistakes has to avoid. Common mistakes to avoid. That is injecting too high. It may create this one. It may cause shoulder injury. And then injecting too low. It's a radial nerve injury may happen. And then wrong needle length. And then tense muscle. Poor landmarking. These are the mistakes has to avoid. And then next comes to the complications. Pain, hematoma, infection and axillary or radial nerve injury. Shoulder injury related to vaccine administration. Here, quick exam tips is for the medical students. Here, Angle for IM injection, that is 90 degree, and then deltoid volume limit, that is 1 ml, and then it's also depend upon the reagent size, and then landmarking 2 to 3 fingers breadths below acromion process, and then most common uses for vaccination. And then next, correct landmarking is the key to safe IM injections, intramuscular injections. Practice on models before patients. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative topics. Thank you for watching.